This segment brought to you by Kansas Farm Bureau, the voice of agriculture. To join today or more information, go to kfb.org or find us on Facebook and Twitter. And again, here we are, on Around Kansas.
One of these days you're going to come back and we're not going to be here. You know, we're going to be out getting a cup of coffee or
Either that or we'll be speechless and just be sitting here. We're just going to watch you someday.
Exactly.
That'll be fun.
One of my friends who lives in France commented on my Facebook page the other day. She was watching me on TV. It was a documentary that I was in on Jesse James, and it was showing in France. And I'm like, wow, that is. She said, it's so good to see you. And I said, well, it was good to see you too.
Yeah. So anyway, yeah, well, that's the nice thing too, because not only are we on broadcast TV and then on cable around the state, but we do have a website, and so people really all around the world can watch the show. And that's really what we kind of want, because part of the mission of Around Kansas is to get people that are going to be traveling, stop in Kansas and say, hey, there's some great stuff to go see.
Really cool people, really cool stuff. And as we've talked before, a lot of talent. And so, speaking of talent, the Kansas Music Hall of Fame ballots are up and available now for voting. You can become a member of the Kansas Music Hall of Fame by visiting their website and paying the nominal fee to vote for the band that you think deserves inclusion into the Kansas Music Hall of Fame.
Yeah. Bill Lee, the late Bill Lee, pretty much founded that, and I was fortunate to work with Bill at KLWN in Lawrence here years ago.
Amazing man.
Yes.
Amazing man. We owe him a wonderful debt of gratitude.
So.
Alan Blasco, president of the Kansas Music Hall of Fame, has announced the ballot for the 2017 inductees. Members of the Kansas Music Hall of Fame and those who have been inducted are eligible to vote. You may join the Kansas Music Hall of Fame by visiting the website. The Kansas Music Hall of Fame was founded to recognize the contributions of Kansas musicians and those in the music industry. Prior inductees include the band Kansas, Martina McBride, Melissa Etheridge, Dwayne Bailey of Bob Seger and Chicago fame, Count Basie, Big Joe Turner, and Mike Finnegan. Find the Kansas Music Hall of Fame on Facebook, too, and join today to make sure your favorite band is inducted next spring. Ballots are due by midnight, October 1st. The induction and concert will be held at Liberty Hall in Lawrence on March 4th, 2017. The 2017 nominees are Alfred Packer Memorial String Band, Lawrence; Bill Bergman, Kansas City; Dana Cooper, Kansas City; Crosswind, Manhattan; Jim Dale, Topeka; Dixie Cadillacs, Kansas City; Carib, Lawrence; Elk River Biscuit and Gravy Band, Emporia; Embarrassment, Wichita; the Euphoria String Band, Lawrence; Easy Pieces, Topeka; Get Smart, Lawrence and Chicago; Bill Glenn, Wichita; Freddie Johnston, Kinsley; Magic Kitchen, Pittsburgh; Ida Macbeth, Kansas City; Julia Lee, Kansas City; Kevin Mahogany, Kansas City; Samuel Ramey, Colby; The Scamps, Kansas City; The Secrets, Kansas City; The Shyster Mountain Gang, Topeka; The Smart Brothers Band, Wichita; Stonewall, Kansas City; Tony Tebow, Fort Scott; The Thingies, Topeka; Upside Dawn, Lawrence; and Kelly Works, Junction City.
As usual, we're out of time, so I'm Frank.
I'm Deb.
And we'll see you somewhere
around Kansas.